sarili. 4 years na siyang pabo. Parang tanongin niyo, what have I done to my 4 years, di ba? So in these 4 years, I was able to build people, help find people. But you believe, you agree with me, okay? This time you must be very selective to save us effort and time. Because in Riwe, it's like a love life. You invest so much time with this person, di ba? You invest so much, every morning you join with a breakfast meeting, lunch meeting, dinner meeting, coffee meeting, and all. And then after 2 years, lumipat sa ibang company, transfer in another company, then you get hurt. Tama? Lumipat sa candy and all. So, you know, this is something, okay? So, ngayon I realize, if we have to, parang hindi na kailangan 100% pa-in-love sa ating member. And it is also true that every single person who join our organization is a gamble.
Yes.
Gamble with your money and all. But the good thing in Riwe is we can catch up or overcome all the losses very fast, as long as you will not stop doing it.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the company that can help us realize our dreams faster than what we think, than what we thought. No? So with this, like for example, we're going to have this event this coming next week, okay, or tomorrow rather, is already July 1. So have you ever thought that tomorrow is another chance? This July is another chance for us to achieve the dreams that we wanted to achieve the rank that we desire, or some people would say that is the rank that I deserve to. Sabi ko nga sa mga team ko, ang gaganda niyo. Bagay kayong mag-Pegasus, hindi sa pagbenta-benta, di ba? Kasi binibenta na mga magkano. Okay. So, here in the UK, we have a choice. We can choose if we want to be a seller or to become a leader.
Yes.
Diba, masarap maging leader. You can talk to these people like that. Okay, pwede sabi nga ng mga Ilonggo, magtikal-tikal ka lang sa kanila, di ba? Okay, so that is our next month preparation. And what I think the 6 months previously, no matter what happened, maybe some of you set the goal that in this year of 2024, I have to earn at least 10 million, okay? That means that how much you're going to earn every month, that equivalent to rank. And then some of you would say, oh, maybe this June, okay, I already earned like 1 million, which is far from what I set the goal. Okay, so here, the thing that can refuel us again is ourselves. We cannot lose the momentum because with all the challenges, everyone has a lot of challenges, rejections, everyone has a problem with their leaders, and we also have that. But if we focus, okay, to our own goal, that these next 3 months, I can be a team elite something, but we have to write it down. And when I was in India, I saw these 3 people. Indian, they were doing something. So I went to them. I went over and then said, brother, what are you doing? So the first one answered, I'm laying bricks. Okay. Then I went to another man. Oh, brother, what are you doing? I'm constructing buildings. Okay. Then the other man, I asked, what are you doing, brother? I'm building a city. Now, where are we in this? Are we still laying the bricks? Okay? Are we now in the level of constructing a building? Or are we a leader who are already building a city? When you ask to some leaders, or what stars, okay, they would say, I'm looking for people to join me so that I can hit Diamond 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. That's given. But when they hit Diamond 3 stars, their motivation is not money or product or promo anymore. Their motivation is how many stars they can create that month.
Yes.
If they are in that level already. That's the maturity, step by step, that the trainings we got in every LTS that the company is holding. Next is, if you look at the elites, you ask them, they would answer, I am creating a lot of stars, okay, in my team, so that I can maintain this rank like that or next level. If you ask the Pegasus and Supreme, they will answer, we are making Riway Philippines #1. So guys, let's take part. Okay, let's take part. The previous years, the months that we have been, it's not important right now. If you want a triple income starting this July, we have to triple our effort. After 3 months, we are already a new person, different person. By the end of this year, we achieve something. And together with that are the leaders whom we help to also achieve their financial goals and their dreams. In some companies, okay, we work so hard. In exchange, collateral is our health. Here in Riway, we become healthy because our product is reversing aging. Medyo bawas-bawas yung ating wrinkles, like that, medyo maiiwasan, okay? And here we achieve a certain amount of money that equates our effort. That Kenny said, 99% is not 100%. So if you give your 100% in Riway, definitely you will get the 100% that you wanted to. And here are the full support that we have. So this time, July, tomorrow, and July, August, September, we cannot wait. We have to focus. We have to give a higher self-discipline. And we also have to maintain our momentum. Because at the end of that, the result, who will benefit the result? Yourself. You develop your self-confidence. You improve yourself, you have this personal development. And then who will benefit also? Your family and the team who trusted you. Remember that the very reason why they are here, why they first purchase the product, it's because of the relationship and trust with you. If along the way you would say, okay, let's go to another company, what will happen, right? So we cannot do that because Riway, we have already tested, okay, even during pandemic, hindi na-delay yung ating Singapore dollar income. We are here in the Philippines, but we are earning Singapore dollar. So we don't need to go somewhere else to earn a dollar. In Riway, we can also experience that. What else are we going to ask for? Everything is provided. This one, they said, you support the event. It's not that the event we will support the event. It's this event actually that can actually support our Riway business and career. If today we bring few people, several people in this room, and they change their mind, okay? They change their mindset, okay? Then after 3 months, you already added another person, another leader in your group. It's not so easy, okay? We don't have a magic wand. Gusto mo kita maging pabo? Okay, pabo ka na. Okay, gusto mo maging Pegasus? Ito na, just a magic wand. No. Along the way, you enjoy the process with all the time that you have. Now I ask myself, I do full time. I'm not lack of time. I don't have lacking of time, no. Okay, lacking of skills, yes. The very reason siguro why I'm still in this level is because my skills are not yet developed. Okay, some of the skills that I needed are not yet developed. So we have to work on that. And then another is lack of knowledge. That's very important because for us to go to the next level, especially Team Elite or Team Elite Pegasus, okay, it requires so much responsibilities, long patience. Kaya sa umaga pa lang, okay, kailangan mahaba na yung pasensya natin. Okay? Patience, patience, patience. Okay? Even our CEO said, these people in Thailand, okay, the first batch, okay, he said that it's so sad that they didn't have enough patience. Okay? And they stopped eventually interviewing. So, but I think that is the third country that they went to, Thailand after Malaysia, if I'm not mistaken. So here in Riway Philippines, we always shout, we wanted to become #1, we wanted to become like this, we are the strongest and all, but where are we? So if in this room, only 20 of us, I want to consider myself, no? If 20 of us will do Riway seriously, definitely 1 to 2 years, okay, we will become #1 in the whole of Riway.
Yes.
So see you at the top, guys. Thank you for this.